Mame Mao Akwaba, Efa Umbra Ghana Sem TV GH so wafre me Adwoa searching.
If the NDC is not careful, it's going to get very, very unpopular.
Biama, asamba ko ehia me pa. Ayo no nyamfo de be onya nyonyamfo. Abrante ana owura Sam George. De bi yes sir. Wabu agu. Ademfo ma mo hwe TikTok live no. Biama hwe mi de na gu. Di besi na ho ai. O ti anya agu yemre. Owura o lawyer ntimfa no owura Sami Jamfi. Oronyamfo Sam George. Oronyamfo Samuel Kujoto Ablakwa. Oronyamfo Haruna Idrisu. Oronyamfo Kofi Amaboa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. On them the metro check so mampeni. No oronyamfo Sam George, oronyamfo Sami Jamfi, and oronyamfo Kujoto Ablakwa. Yenim said the mrantie e kan na do dan kwakufu aduanim.
Declare state of emergency.
Said the omtipen no. All because of politics. Katia Ghana Mampenisa is a failed leader, especially Sam George. See, Mampeni is a failed leader because so we a serious leader and Kagalam say no, obey me the 2 weeks. I saw no a declare state of emergency. Sam George it mean your demonstration after they come a sin so no na LBGTQ and Galam say. Wababenya minister. I was say Sam George. Onya to me wie no. And now we need DSTV for na kontokwa. Inti sa state of emergency okacha na nado. Uka na nado adi mi sa de sabe we chiri ba no no. And na de sabe in previous. Uka say state of emergency ni here ne. Sam George should come again. Mutimi enfo mani ni agro amanyofo. Mutimi for man for ya drink en ni agro. Ultimate me demonstration one against Galamsey. Now Galamsey cost up with
now can some a press conference or I'm
the puppet in Nako. I press so preach so bremu so preach and so proud. Now no to me. My catcher said the same thing I'm catching. It is not possible now. In Chamana mu catching and now the Danko for no mu be subbing previous. Mumwadi and to move deep and in a term. No movie today. Yet to a man Musalia. I know we must force them to declare state of emergency. They should come and apologize to the former government. Attend your mudi woman.
Or say, exhaust all channels. When be was one fast way, if I way near try the bay near to the 2 as here, if I way near try, it is a training in an year. Then you say, declare state of emergency.
A bamba couldn't add no more 20. I'm sorry, no more bump. I'm sorry. As a man, I'm going to young one as well. And now a so bremuni so swa, a few wish, a some more. A chairman and not good for the owner. A man for Biom Tapsa. A bat said tea. Our Ghana. I know the Okuja Tabla, Sam George, Sammy Jamfi and the moon. because I need your positions. Jani de mu hui. Aban de botachi no. Eno na de bobo ba. Se na do aban ye bibia anya enye. Na do aban or try so be obaku galam say. Na ba mu panifo so mu ye bi wantimi ankrake hwepo no on them. It was bad. We must condemn all those things. But most of them catch the gun for teaching him rantia mum. The enemy, he said, them rantia, sorry, Cassam Penfone, me to say, all because of politics.
But the Mamen can show. A galamsey no a benefit both NDC and the NPP.
In the Ghana,
a good person say, Omunim quite a fast galamsey be endeno. Omunim pa. Now, so as I to me mudentino. Ombe kokwasa
onyame hwe nyina
that's right
onyame ohwe say ye betina o mem na ye mpani format na ho emensu a omanfo ye benom no sabi mpraduasa adane yare ade amaye enfo bia ho community bia entibi most of one clean river awaye ma we mu na ye say leaders there it is up to us say say wa kandifo na omban aye team from MPP to NDC. Much be my ensuo baako a sabe eye krogin a ye benum na mo be politics declare mampani and current mampani catch a gun of when say Nanado is the president. He must act. People voted for him to act. And now who you are the president with all due respect.
9 months in office.
More again na kwa so Ghana ha. Galamsey nya fina aginsem no.
So muguso e.
Yana galamsey aginsem.
Na we made ba ko. Won see IGP e de ye policefo bi e koye se omo kohwe sa galamsey yi. E ma some site bi hono mo a policefo yi e pamo wo mu nyina firi hono mo. Ye yi IGP ngrofo ni firi hono. Ngrofo na san akoba.
Ombeko because state of emergency ni say nya dwuma Ghana.
Mo koye.
Say state of emergency na Ghana na do president.
Oye de but the man are untumi nyahwe. That is who St. George is. Or pre-hua, that is exactly who he is. Now, and then maybe I say about NDC for mentality. Make us first, I say, I have no problem if you choose to, let's say, defend your party, love your party, whatsoever. But there are certain things you can't defend. Niyama, a whole facts you don't go ahead and try to defend it because you lose. And the reason why you lose and then they say the things that you will be asked to provide to justify yourself, you won't be able to have it. Now adiebi meya say NDC for we betna or Ayiswa, they are so quick and talking and making noise and everything. Also, like they are not bold enough to come and defend the nonsense they wrote. I don't know why. So we could just post to say, there will be 10,000 NDC people writing nonsense. Now, now this is me and you. When I was so with the law and I say, request, let us talk, they ran away. And the reason is one. Only fact to be able to back any allegation he makes. That's one. Only anything again to prove said they are all canonical. And when you saw the whole lamplight anymore, a be an obedient MPP ni or NDC or a floating voter. Say Utie NDC no go say there be NDC and Kwasia for it's not a party I have to follow. So they hide behind screens and they write nonsense. And me, it is sad. Michelle that saw camera mom. Come. When I was say the American may talk, request and join the live. Show me your evidence. Let me show you my evidence. But no, they ran away. But to go right here, this is here, they'll be quick to come there because I know they are not bold. Bold. The only thing they are bold about is stealing, killing, and destroying. That one they bold about. But when it comes to say they can never do that. Open them, I mean, do my life. He says, "Yeah." Now, I'm going say, "Abia, I'm going to sleep." On Papa, why be there? Them says, "Yeah." You put camera on, let them come and defend the same nonsense they wrote. They are not able to do it. That is why I actually stopped listening and actually paying attention to some of you, because Sam George is a minister of state for Ghana. As we speak, he is the communications minister for Ghana. He has some authority. He has some power. Whether we like it or yes, whether we like it or yes or no, he still has power in. And how many do? There's nothing wrong with loving Sam George. That's you. I mean, your type would always love Sam George. There's nothing wrong with that. So keep on with that, okay? But listen, while this guy was in opposition, there were some famous words he said. Among those words he said were when he said, from the first budget the government reads. I did not say this, Sam George said it. The same Sam George, when the time came for us to go and register because of the surf line, date line, as I say, you started using new chip. He championed an academy called Stubborn Academy. Say we will not allow Ursula to register any new thing. It happened. I did not say it. Sam George said it. As a matter of fact, Sam George said they were using so much convoy in the Nana Addo government. And therefore, for him, even if he becomes a minister, he wouldn't use such convoy. I didn't say it. Sam George said it. That's why I said I don't get these things. NDC for shed yellow. I don't get it. Say, if it is a way to get people angry, or if it is the way to just show their shallowness, if it is the way to show some power, NDC is nothing to write home about. They just want power to steal, kill, and destroy. Because if I had said these things, then you can get angry at me. I'm only repeating something your own minister said. I have not said anything different. I have not said Nana Addo is the best. I have not said Bawumia is the best. I have not said MPP is the best. I have not said without MPP. I have never used none of those words. I only restated what your own minister said. Point in case, the same Sam George. A time came where he felt as a citizen that the LGBT community should be clamped on because it's not part of our culture. According to Sam George, not me, Felix, please. Now, for some of us who are Christians, we do believe what he says in terms of that. And what he's saying is that a punishment here, a war for one more omobey trumu or bad to obano. Yamanin more severe. Said the Abeya, they wouldn't fail to go do it. Enunti Nameya de ye ministers are ne good parliament who in Nara, except one who was NDC. His name is Xavier Sosu, the Medina MP. Every minister in Ghana supported the private member bill by Samuel Jata George of Pram Pram that the punishment yayedema one year a ye trumu one way your ba to obana sa de no yentwim na yemaninye den yemaninye kese. Apart from Francis Xavier Sosu oye NDC ni ono ne de o twin hu fu se da bi onjin di se sankrofo na te se ye twe omo aso de den no almost both NDC and MPP MPs ni nara e ka say Sam George, this is a good cause, let us champion it. Na osan hye ye bobi se ono no nyame ya adom na se na ban ba na oba bedi ade a obi make sure say saadi we obema ne papa opa appointed no John Mahama assign it in the first 120 days. Enya me na mekaye, please ebio enya me na mekaye Sam George enum asem. Dora Kusimichiao. The same Sam George Esai beka kire yese. Ekufuado ye nipa bone. One ne ba wo mie ni na wo ya kronfo. One ne ba wo mie ni na wo mu ni suban. Osuru ntua wonka. Bone ben na do. Ene ba wo mie aye. Yesi galamse ase yensu. Ase asase. Na eye nanado. Ena wa yenhwe ha. Onim so wutumi a obetumi dia solve nanso wa yenhwe ha amagana oyene abeton yen in terms of galamsey me pacho enye me na mekaye Sam George enekaye ene nyame ye adom ena onya mic mienu ena onya nkrofo ewo ho ena na won nyina edi nkomo ena wode camera see na nim ka kire yen Ghana for say President Akufo-Addo stop galamsey. President Akufo-Addo stop galamsey. President Akufo-Addo stop galamsey now. Sam George ebio enyame na mekaye Sam George enekaye na dia de wo mu ne se ebra na Sam George no mo kasa ne ma we no na NDC fo ye den ebo mo nsam hai ene you mean say wakasa. This boy actually made the comment to say the decision is in the bosom of the president. Na senana do danko Akufo-Addo owo opepapa say or the best stop galamsey obe issue bibia ye friend no emergency and a state emergency on galamsey ampa sika womo gada yenti womo tumi toto CSOs toto ya toto Catholic for asofo ye pope ni ye bishop for ye toto won ye toto sabe mmoa bi ebegu street no so ebi ni baker wamevo ye sheda koto womo ye funeral contractors a womo suma eyi ba ye ko haya womo no musu ebegina Captain Jimmy ho say you oh my country Ghana, oh why Ghana, why oh why. It was NDC at work. A so a girl needs to know. Oh God, why? Not Captain Smart the Kusunumu. Oh sister, it's okay. It will be well. Your Mahama is coming. Everything will be fine. Me pacho, the American nye movie. So what Hana Jones are saying big can nye movie. Me can't see ye. Ebra na MPP tie kunya so na NDC wo position yetumi haya emmoa bi eduomu gu social media say sabio galamsey nti a police for hyen a yetu no yetumi fa ne key na ye de adwane na ya to akone esi Ghana abrante na friend baker wemevo be ma wo se wo movo Oliver Baker Bemewo